Change your Gmail password. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to change your Gmail password. If you haven't changed it in years, it's good to update for security reasons. In this video, I'll guide you through the process. Like these kinds of videos, we have more related content on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's get started. I'm logging into my Gmail now. To change your password, click on your profile picture up here. Then click on Manage your Google account. You'll see your other Gmail accounts below. The process is the same for all accounts. Now look at the side menu and select Security. In Security, scroll down. Here it shows my last password change, which was a while ago in 2018. So I want to update and change this password. Just click here at the top. You'll confirm your identity, then you can change your password. Here, enter a new password. It must be at least 8 characters long. Don't use a password from another site or one that's too obvious. Enter your new password here and confirm it below. Then folks, just click here to change your password. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.